Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's USDC video update for Friday 15th of July. Now there's this fib retracement that we've been following, and the technical target that I was giving you, this descending triangle potentially, the technical target right on the money was met, and then we had a huge pump to the upside. The thing with this trade is that you had a big green candle, which is amazing, I know, but the problem is that it's not a candle that means it's gonna start flying to the upside. That's the thing. I mean, it's a good candle if you're a day trader or just a quick, you made a quick trade. But if it's a scenario where you think that, the sudden uptrend is gonna start and you're gonna start to fly to the moon, I don't really think that's the case though at the moment. And for that one, we're gonna have to bring in some checks, and let me first remove the drawings. And all I think about this one is some sort of like 3-line strike. So what I'm gonna do is come here to this website, I guess, or maybe just go to Google. Should I just do Google? Yeah. 3-line strike pattern. Okay, so it's a bearish continuation pattern, and it's when you actually make these 3 red candles back to back, 1 2 3, one big huge green candle that's bearish, and the trend is going to continue to the downside. Okay, so it's not something quite bullish, something like this. Let me show you something like this. Okay, so it's like you went to the downside, made 3 red candles, pushed to the upside with a big green candle, and then from there you continue downside. Okay, that's what we have right here. So keep in mind that this is still a continuation pattern to continue lower, and as a matter of fact, it even makes sense to have this bearish pattern when you are at the resistance. Okay, so that's your resistance right over there. Just gonna pull this a little bit just like that, and you can already see that it's more like you broke this level, you went for the retest, and you've met the resistance, and you can now continue to go to the downside. If somehow you do come up and break and hold this level like this, then you're breaking all of this bearish structure. Then that's when it's good to say that it's bullish and it's going to continue to go to the upside. And that's it for this quick update on USDC. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.